Hello, good evening, students. First of all, I warm welcome you all on my YouTube channel. Today, we are starting with the very first chapter of class 7th physics. That is, first chapter is physical quantities and measurement. Right? So, फिजिक्स के बारे में आप क्लास 6 में पढ़ कर आ रहे हैं. ठीक है. नाउ जस्ट आई एम telling you about the basic definitions of physics. Okay, so first definition, we are starting with the very first definition, physics. So what is physics? Physics is the branch of science which deals with the study of nature and natural phenomena, right? Nature and natural phenomena. Now what kind of natural phenomena? Like study of volcanoes, occurrence of day and night, change of season, right? So these natural process studied under different branch, that is called physics. Physics के अंदर उसको हम study करते हैं. Then we have physical quantity. So what are the physical quantity? The quantity which can be measured. ऐसी quantities, ऐसी physical quantities जिनको measure किया जा सकता है, तो उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Physical quantity बोलते हैं. Like डिस्टेंस, स्पीड, टाइम मेजर कर सकते हैं हम, राइट? डिस्टेंस है, लाइक डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू सिटी इज 200 किलोमीटर, राइट? इट कैन बी मेजर्ड, राइट? सो next we have definition of unit. Unit is what? The standard measurement of physical quantity. Standard measurement of physical quantity is known as unit. Like अगर हमें किसी यूनिट को फिजिकल क्वांटिटी को मेजर करना है तो हम किसी यूनिट का यूज करते हैं. लाइक लेंथ, फॉर मेजरिंग लेंथ वी विल यूज मीटर, किलोमीटर, माइल्स, सेंटीमीटर, right? So these are the units. Okay, so the units is of two type: fundamental units and derived unit. Now what are the fundamental units? Fundamental units, the unit which are independent and not related with each other. Okay, these fundamental units or these unit is also known as base quantities. Base quantities: mass, length and time. There are only three base quantities: mass, length and time. Then move to next definition. So next definition we have derived unit. So what is derived? Derive का मतलब होता है किसी चीज को obtain करना, right? So the units which can be obtained by using fundamental units known as derived unit. You can see velocity is what? Displacement upon time. Displacement is a type of length, right? Displacement क्या होता है? It is a type of length and time. Okay, so we already know what are the fundamental units: mass, length and time. Okay, so length upon time both are fundamental units. So therefore derived unit is what? The units which can be obtained by using fundamental units is known as derived unit. Okay, so then we have mass. Mass is the amount of matter, quantity contained in matter is known as mass. Okay, so what is the SI unit of mass? SI unit of mass is kg, kilogram. देन वी हैव वेट. वेट के बारे में मैं आपको बता देता हूं. वेट इज द फोर्स. ओके, सो द वेट ऑफ द बॉडी इज द फोर्स विद विच एवरी बॉडी अट्रैक्ट टुवर्ड्स इट्स सेंटर. दैट इज नोन एज वेट. ओके, देन वी हैव द लास्ट डेफिनेशन, that is density. Density of a substance can be defined as mass per unit volume. Okay, so simply mass per unit volume is called density of the substance and SI unit is kg per meter cube. Okay, so जो फॉर्मूले में मास की जो SI यूनिट क्या होती है? kg. और वॉल्यूम की क्या होती है? क्यूब, मीटर क्यूब. So what is the SI unit of density? That is kg per meter cube. Okay, this is all about the basic definition used in first chapter. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you.